Did you know that you can access Centennial Library's resources and supports whether you're on campus or at home? In this video, learn how to access Simply Math, an online after-hours math help service. Simply Math provides foundational math support to Centennial students outside of regular operating hours and on weekends. To access Simply Math, go to the Learning Center website, library.centennialcollege.ca/learning center. Scroll down for Math Services. Click on the Simply Math tab. Click on the Simply Math tutoring link. Log in with your MyCentennial ID and password. Now that you're logged into Simply Math, you can connect with a live tutor, either via text or with audio, for support on topics like reviewing the order of operations or solving mathematical equations. Or you can check out the academic tools. These include practice tests through SkillSurfer and the Leap Learning platform, flashcards and games through Flashbulb, as well as many other resources. Now you know how to access Simply Math, an online after-hours math help service. Simply Math Tutoring is an external service offering general math help. For Centennial College course-specific questions, please speak to a math learning strategist, book a Centennial College math tutor using the Tutor Ocean booking system, or join us in person in the Ashtonby, Morningside, or Progress Math Drop-In Center during operating hours. And to learn more about the amazing resources Centennial Library and Learning Center has to offer, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel, and be sure to like and subscribe. We're here to help.